Hello brothers, sisters. Yeah, so in this video I'm showing you something that maybe you've never seen in your life. It was my first time seeing it, and man, it's really beautiful and amazing. So basically it's about how our forefathers used to get married in the olden days, Gold Coast, before white wedding came. Man, this is really unique and amazing. I know most of you have never seen this before, but if you've witnessed before, let me know in the comment section. And so basically if you go to the fancy land or the coastal area, they still practice this culture over there. Man, this is amazing.
I don't want to be actually.
Don't know. Chocolate. No, where they? I fry. Okay. I feel it's no. I feel it's no doing. I fry. I feel no. About okay. Typical traditional marriage, yeah. Na mo epocho na moko ayo shesha de mami moko le adi papa e mo na de enti empere moko na intro ba no cheden ai na tomaze ai ba de tomaze ai kwa kwa na de we si na de we ni ah you mean tell still what na we ni ma me we okay eh no jine okay into no ya no hazen what moko na na oh okay now so here ring na I'm not double bonity, but because of only gina anything nowadays. Okay. Wow. Okay. Then look away. Okay. And so obey you know. Okay. And so you know much man. I'm going to go answer. I can't wear my bunny. I don't want. It's Pocono or no be Akana. Oh, okay. I'm recording. I'm recording. Some typical traditional marriage, yeah, and amazing. Wow. Yeah, typical one. Wow, it's about you going to pop away. Wow. Okay. I think we here. Okay. Wow. So basically, when they come, you have to give them something, okay? Kind of tradition. So tradition. 40. Wow. Now, it's when I'm which one is scheduled to come. Wow. 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 So, you know, I accountant. Message you and say, how is the schedule is sorry by everybody? It's apart from there, much of my phone will be also. Okay, two things. A short my phone now again. So obeying me now. Waste ni peda another pro and I don't what can. Okay. I want the there. And son, okay. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. So insane. Okay. And I the man. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's no. Okay, it's a white wedding, traditional one. Okay. Man, I do subtitles. Maybe back on chi. It's been videos. It's over. How much of time? 5 o'clock. No, 5 is a couple for a serve yourself, you know. Hey, I'm trying to serve yourself. Hey, style, yeah. That's it.